As an audio engineer, musician, or other sound-based artist, it can be hard to know how to lay out your portfolio. Portfolio websites are inherently visual, so how do you add visual weight and interest to your website of audio-based work? Format offers plugins for SoundCloud and Spotify. These are great options for adding your audio files to a page. But another great option is using Format's hosted video modules with your own image, graphic, or video clips to add visual weight and presence to your audio clips. The biggest bonus here is that by using hosted video modules, it will allow you to have your audio files hosted on your website and stored on Format's private server, meaning that you will no longer have to upload your work into third-party websites. The first step here is to select an image, graphic, or video clip. For today's example, we are going to use some visuals from a podcast that will accompany the audio clip of that podcast I want on my website. Once you have an image, graphic, or video to pair with your audio, use your preferred video editing software to overlay the visual content with your audio. DaVinci Resolve is a great free program to use for this, but you can also use any video editing program such as Adobe Premiere or iMovie. Drag the audio file into the timeline, then drag the visual you'd like to use into the video track. You may need to extend the length of the clip or loop the video to match the duration of the audio. Be sure to keep your audio brief and concise. You should aim to highlight the best of your skills in your portfolio so potential clients understand your skill set. Format supports hosted video files of up to 20 minutes in length each, but we recommend keeping content under 5 minutes. Once you've combined your audio and visuals, export the new video clip. Format supports .mov or .mp4 file formats with a maximum size of 2 GB and a playback resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now that I have my MP4 or MOV file, I want to make a custom page on Format. I'll give my page a title and either start from a template or start from scratch. Both options are fully customizable. And then go to Media and select Hosted Video from the layouts on offer. I'd also recommend adding a short description of the project with some details like your role on the project, names of collaborators, the project outline or goal, and how your skills played a role in this project. By adding these textual details, you guide the experience of listening to the clip. These details will give insights to your skills, how you work, and how you satisfy a project brief. We hope these tips have been helpful. If you need more help with your portfolio website, go to format.com/help for all of our tutorials and guides. You can also click on the chat icon and our 24/7 customer experience team would be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Format.